Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram gift feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So Telegram gifts are generally animated, collectible items purchased with Telegram stars to celebrate, congratulate, or support users and channels. They can be displayed on profiles, converted into stars, or for rare upgraded gifts traded as NFTs on the TON blockchain. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram application and go to the profile that you want to simply go ahead and gift it to. Then you want to simply go ahead and tap on the three dot on the top right and then click on send gift. This is my own group, so it's not showing here. But let's say, for example, this is a person I've blocked. Right over here, there's going to be a send a gift option. As you can see, you can purchase any of these and send it to them. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.